Hey guys, well, welcome to another edition of the Maestro and Friends. Today we're going to introduce you to a fantastic motorcycling couple, Kat and Nico. Kat is on her Triumph Thruxton R, and I've run into them several times. They're usually far from the maddening crowd and just kind of go out there on Saturday and Sunday afternoons and just do some smooth, fast, clean riding. And we've been trying to do this video for a little while now. I finally caught up to them, and I think you're going to appreciate this incredible couple. All right, everybody, thank you for joining us on another episode of the Maestro. As you can see, sorry about this, guys in Wisconsin and New Jersey. It's another beautiful day in Southern California. It's what, December the 6th or something like that? And it's what, 70 degrees, let's call it. And just a beautiful day. And today we're up here with a great motorcyclist. Her name is Kat. Kat, welcome to the channel.
Thank you.
And Kat and her husband are very enthusiastic motorcycle riders. I've been kind of following them up here for a year or two maybe. And they're kind of, you know, they keep to themselves a little bit. They're not part of the craziness of the group. And that's probably a good thing, because when I saw you ride, I mean, it was just remarkable. Your lines were clean. Your body position was outstanding. And I just said, wow, this is somebody who is really focused on proper lines, proper just riding this bike. So what are you on today, Kat?
Today I'm on a Triumph Thruxton R. It's a 2018.
2018 Triumph Thruxton R. And you have another bike, I believe.
I do. I have a Ducati Panigale V4.
Okay, that's two ends of the spectrum, I guess. And from our conversation this morning, you have a couple of miles on these bikes, don't you?
I do. This one has 75,000, right on the cusp of that, and then my Ducati has 24,500.
So 75,000 miles on your Triumph, and 25,000 miles on a Ducati V4. And you've had the Triumph how many years?
5.
5 years.
Wait, is this 2024? Yeah, it'll be 5 in April.
I think it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, pretty sure. I lose track of the years as well. You know, and the Ducati you've had since?
I think 3 years.
3 years. Okay. So you guys are riding, and whenever I see Kat up here riding, there's always a tail gunner behind her, let's just say. And that is her husband, Nico. So Nico, why don't you come on in and join the conversation? Kat, why don't you slide over here?
Hello, hello.
Good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you.
So Nico, you, as you explained to me, have been riding for a very long time.
I have.
And you guys have been married a while. And for the first many years of your marriage, several years of your marriage, you would go out on the motorcycle, and Kat would go gravitate to her horse passion.
Yeah.
And then you'd meet for, you know, dinner or whatever later on. And that changed at some point.
That changed, yeah. Wanted to get her out with me and get her on something else. And she started on a little Vespa.
Okay.
Vespa.
Great place to start. I mean, you know,
Scooter, yeah.
I've been in Italy many, many times, and I'll tell you what, I don't understand why Southern California people don't ride Vespas, because of the traffic, the weather, the parking. I mean, it's the perfect Vespa environment, right?
Yeah, and they have a place for groceries, so
Exactly.
and a drink.
A trunk and everything.
Exactly,
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
So yeah, really got into that. Got her on 2 wheels and started to fall in love with how that felt. And then gravitated towards a bigger bike and bigger bike and bigger bike, and then ultimately the Triumph and the Ducati. So
you've been riding how many years now?
I think it's going to be 8 this year.
8 years. Okay, so 8 years of riding. And I hope this isn't a sore subject, but whenever I see you guys riding, Kat is in the front.
yeah. It's the student has gotten better than the teacher. Let's just say that.
I know.
Yeah.
I hate when that happens.
It happens sometimes, and you got to just kind of deal with it. And she's gotten better. Her body position is better, and I think a lot of it is just she's technically better. You know, she learned the right way. Like I learned on a dirt bike,
Right.
and I learned sloppy. My habits are bad. And then
All right,
from that,
but this isn't a confession,
Yeah.
but
yeah. Well,
but
I'm
you do fine. I mean, it's not like you know, you're right there most of the time.
most of the time.
Until
She's
she just wants to
technically
check out, and then
her body position's better.
Yeah.
Her lines are cleaner. So definitely gotten better than me, and now she's faster than me.
and you are riding
I have a Aprilia
a Tuono V4.
Tuono V4, yeah.
I think that's a pretty good bike, from what I understand.
I love it.
So,
I
yeah,
love it.
no,
yeah.
it's probably the best all-around road sport bike
It's got
on
a little,
the market.
yeah, a little bit of everything, and it
Right.
does everything well.
If you want an ultimate track bike, then you need to get, you know, an R6, a GX6 R750, an R1, something like that. But if you just want to ride on the street,
Enjoy something is
the
it's
Tuono
comfortable.
V4 is as good as it gets. So, all right, well, why don't we're on the Triumph today,
Yep.
not the Ducati. So we're on the Triumph today. So why don't we take it out down our favorite road, and then we'll reconvene at the end and
Yeah.
see how we do. All right?
Cool.
Sound good?
Sounds
Yeah,
awesome.
Sounds good.
Thank
Let's
you.
do it.
Let's do
All right.
Okay, well, let's go down AFH and just watch these clean, smooth, beautiful lines of this lady on this incredible Triumph. And she is just dancing with this partner, as you can tell. Really a joy to just follow and watch and just see competent, smooth riders, well in control, just enjoying this beautiful road on this incredible bike on this great day. Look at those beautiful lines and that nice body position and lean angle. I'll tell you what, with a couple of clinics, this lady is going to embarrass a lot of people. And here we are on 9 Mile, and she is now following me. And again, it's just great to watch and appreciate a good, competent, skilled rider just having a great time on this kind of classic motorcycle. And as always, guys, if you wouldn't mind just giving us a like and a subscribe, throw a comment down there. We'd love to interact with you. See you next time. Take care.
Well, here we are at the top of 9 Mile. That was so sweet. I mean, following you is just like a joy because your lines are great. I don't mean to just, you know, overdo it, but it really is nice to see, especially a lady out on a bike who is focused on improving on your technique, on just getting it and doing it right, not just out here doing it. And this is a great little machine. So I think we got our footage we need for this time. Thank you so very much. I enjoyed every minute of it, and maybe in the spring we do part 2 with the Ducati V4. How does that sound?
That'd be awesome.
All right, guys, thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.